Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MathWorks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.mathworks.com and press enter. Once the MathWorks homepage loads, locate the sign in option. You can find the sign in link at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in link. A new page will open requesting your login information. Here, you will enter your email address associated with your MathWorks account. After entering your email address, click on the Next button. Now, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password in the designated field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the password field. Follow the instructions to reset your password via email. Once you've entered the password, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your MathWorks account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your entered information for accuracy. You are now successfully logged into MathWorks. Explore your account to access tools and resources available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.